that we say to ourselves, about ourselves, things we say about our circumstances that really can undermine and compromise truly our confidence. And so I want to talk specifically about some of these patterns today. These little things that we say that are often unconscious and truly done out of habit. Maybe we picked them up from someone else, or we just learned to say these things to feel comfortable in situations. And I have found in my experience that they're definitely present more around those times when we want to please others, when we want to appear like we have it all together, or we don't feel confident in a situation. We tend to use these phrases. Why do we say these things? That's really ultimately what I want you to take from this conversation today is, why do I repeat these things to myself? Why do I view circumstances like this way? And to begin to say, yeah, I wonder how different things could be just if I make these tiny, tiny changes in how I speak. The first one is the phrase, I have to. We often say this when we feel like there's something that's in front of us that feels heavy and a burden to bear. I know I use this phrase all the time. I use this phrase when it's just, well, it's not necessarily a burden, but I just describe an activity I have to do. But I find that when I switch that phrase from I have to I get to, it dramatically changes how I view the circumstance. So instead of saying, I have to take my kids to school, I can say, I get to take my kids to school. I mean, there's a different positive energy that's behind that, isn't it? Just by switching that word, we can say, I have to work with the new person on my team. I get to work with the new person on my team. I have to go grocery shopping. I get to go grocery shopping. There's an element of gratitude and positivity that comes up. Some things truly are a burden and not like we have to put a Pollyanna approach to everything in front of us. But it is very interesting just how much you say it. I know this is one that I say all the time. And as I have really paid attention to this, my attitude overall just seems a little bit lighter. It doesn't feel like I'm filling my day with all of these have-tos.